We're going to visit Sandy in the northern part of Miami. She and her mom's gonna teach me how to cook very important soup in the Haitian community. Soup jamon. Hi. How are you?
Good, thank you. Welcome.
Thank you very much.
Mom.
Oh, we're busy already.
Yes.
Hi.
Yes, oui.
Mom.
Bonjour,
meet
madame.
Marcus.
Bonjour, Marcus.
Ça va?
Ça va, Marcus.
My name is Sandy Dorsonville, and I'm a first-generation Haitian American. I do community development and cultural programming here in Miami. Haiti was a country built by African slaves, occupied by the Spanish at one time, colonized by the French. I think what makes Haiti interesting is that because we were one of the richest and the strongest slave colonies, we were able to keep a lot of the African traditions and the African values that our ancestors instilled in us. Today we're making soup joumon.
Soup joum. What's the meaning of soup joum? What is it?
It's a really traditional Haitian soup. We refer to it as pumpkin soup, but it's more of a squash.
Nice.
So my mom already started off cooking the meat separately.
Oh, there's meat in the pumpkin soup?
Yes, this is beef shank.
Wow, it smells amazing.
It's already been seasoned.
Oh, with the bone in, so it's nice and juicy.
Yes.
Garlic, parsley, thyme, black pepper, clove, and put lemon juice, orange juice.
Tomatoes,
Ooh.
salt, pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper.
Of course, Scotch bonnet.
Of course,
Why?
a little spice, always. And then we're also adding chicken.
Wow. What's happening in here?
So in there we have cabbage, celery, potatoes, carrots, leeks.
And what are we gonna do? We're gonna puree that? We're gonna chop that in? Or
Traditionally, my mom likes everything hearty. So
Yeah.
she doesn't really, the only thing she purees is the pumpkin.
The pumpkin.
But the vegetables stay whole.
Who taught you how to make this soup?
My mother, she used to cook the soup, and I watch her how she's doing it. Most people, they don't use recipe. You
No.
put it according to your taste.
Yeah, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. So these are ingredients that are easy to find
Easy
in
to
Haiti.
find,
So
and even you don't have money,
Yes.
it won't cost you much to make a soup.
yeah, so if you don't have money, maybe you don't put beef and
Now
chicken
you,
in.
No, you get chicken in your yard.
Yeah,
You
in
could
your yard.
cook it.
Yeah. So what can I do? Can I chop up some carrots? How can I help?
Yes.
So I just want to ask Mom, when did you come from Haiti to
to
Miami?
United States.
Yes.
1973 by myself.
Wow.
At that time we have a
Dictator.
dictator, and it was hard. I heard that United States you could do anything you want as long as you want to work. After work, I go to school at
Nice.
night, 2 hours, and sit in the class and sleep.
Yeah. You're
I
tired.
was so tired.
Did you meet your husband here?
Yes, I met him in school.
Nice. So you were not that tired. Sure. So tell me more about the soup. What's the significance?
A lot of people don't realize that it's really our independence soup. It's
Yeah.
Haiti's independence soup. So during slavery, the masters would always have soup on Sundays. They would have a pumpkin soup, and the best choice meats were saved for this great meal on Sunday. And the slaves were not allowed to have the soup. So after the slaves revolted, and in 1804, independence was officially gotten, the first thing they said was, let us have soup.
Let us have soup.
Let us have soup. And that's the legend, that every single pot on the island had soup in it that day.
How do I say that in Creole?
Nous allons boire soup.
Nopal?
Boire soup.
Nopal?
Boire soup.
Perfect.
Nice.
It's something that every single Haitian does, no matter where they live, on the first of the year to celebrate the independence of Haiti.
So you think the slave master had Scotch bonnet in their soup?
Not at all. Not
That was
at
the
all.
Africans, right?
The Africans
Yes.
added the Scotch bonnet, and then also the more African version of the soup is heartier and
Yeah.
thicker, whereas the French version of the soup is thinner, and almost everything is pureed. And
I-
for an
I'm-
independent soup, we needed something strong
Yeah,
and hearty
strong.
and heavy. Yes.
Being Ethiopian, right? Maybe we poor, but we're not poor in culture and history. And with Haitians, you feel this level of pride, a sense of, being the first Black republic, right?
Exactly. I think That pride comes from the fact of knowing that we're not given our independence, but we fought for it. Hard for it, and we earned it. And we consider ourselves as Haitians as the mother of independence in the Western Hemisphere.
I love that.
And even as the country goes through turmoil and things happen, but that's always at the core, that we know our history proves that, you know, we're a strong country and that we can basically deal with anything.
Anything, right?
Good?
Very good.
Marcus, I think you can test taste now.
I'm ready.
You're ready.
Nice.
Boom. And then you put like this.
Yes.
Then
It's beautiful. Mwah. Mwah. Beautiful. Soup Jumon is more than a soup. It really symbolizes Haitians' independence. I just think that's fantastic by itself. And once you start eating this soup, you start realize how complex it is. You have the pumpkin, you have the vegetables, you have the chicken meat, you have the beef, beautiful orange notes to it. It's so delicious. Congratulations.
thank you.
It's worth all the
Effort.
everything, and you feel it, like it's all coming out. The garlic, the onions.
You hire me when you have your restaurant.
Yes, absolutely.
Marcus, you're sweating.
Listen, I'm African via Sweden, so I get this is where the adopted kids are struggling. It's hot, it's hot. Woo! Shola. Shola.